Ryan here with Savage Customs. I made a trip down to Klamath Falls to meet with Stefan to check out his 74 Super Beetle. The Subaru swapped. So I'm gonna turn it over to Stefan. He can tell you about his car.
It's just a 74 Super Beetle, and I bought a 94 Legacy from my friend on the coast and ripped the motor out of it. And you use a Kennedy engineered products adapter plate, and you can either choose to use this alternator bracket, but Kennedy sends you a flywheel and the adapter plate, and that's really all you need. You use a Volkswagen clutch, Volkswagen transmission, choose your exhaust.
It's a great looking car.
Was originally gray and I just sanded it down. My mom called it a Jawbreaker, so that's what we call it.
Jawbreaker, great name.
It's got a aluminum radiator up front, keeps it cool. Everything else is stock.
Looks like it fits good.
It does. Had the original one in there, but that thing leaked, so.
How long did it take to build?
Longer to buy and wait for all the parts. It
Sure.
really only took like a month to bolt everything together and make it work.
How long have you had it?
I have had it since 2014, late 2014.
Very cool.
And the only other upgrade it has is disc brakes to make it stop.
Yeah, that's important.
So,
Well, let's go for a cruise, see how she runs.
yes. Better if I learned how to, hit the shift before the rev limiter. First gear is so short.
Like what you see, or you want to feature your car, leave a comment, like our video, subscribe, tell us what you like, what you don't like. Well, thanks for showing us your ride, man.
Hope you guys like it.
Right on.